Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. That protects data and prevents short circuits. Next, heat the bezel to soften adhesive, about 60 degrees for 60-90 seconds. This makes separation easier. Use a suction cup and thin pick at a corner to lift the glass gently, prying incrementally. Keep screws and tiny brackets organized in labeled containers. Once you have an opening, disconnect the battery first to avoid accidental power flow, then disconnect display cables carefully. You're now ready for deeper access. Once the battery is disconnected, remove the midframe or adhesive strips. Use plastic spudgers so you don't damage the PCB. Carefully unscrew and set aside grounding brackets, then unclip or desolder display and digitizer connectors. You're separating electrical paths, so work slowly. Transfer delicate components like the earpiece, proximity sensor, and front camera from old glass to the new assembly. This ensures OEM-level fit and function. Before sealing, test fit and reconnect temporarily to verify display, touch, and camera operation. That avoids rework later. You now apply fresh adhesive or adhesive strips and align the replacement screen precisely. Start at one edge and press toward the opposite side to push out air and ensure an even seal. Reconnect the battery last, then power up and run a full hardware check. Touch responsiveness, front/back cameras, speaker, proximity sensor, and charging. If something fails, don't panic. Power off, open the device, receipt display, and flex connectors. Inspect for debris or bent pins, and retest. That single troubleshooting step solves most post-repair issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.